Hey guys, what's up? It's Christine Seal, the High Level Queen, and today we are going to talk about how to set up high level SaaS mode. Everyone is super excited about this update, and I do have more in-depth videos on my channel. This is going to be an overview to get you started. So, first things first, what you want to do is go into your agency settings, which is going to be a big blue arrow up here, okay? Then you're going to click on SaaS Configurator. And as of right now, you are not able to modify. You can click on build your own plan, but these are locked. The ability to do this is coming soon, but you can do this, which is, I guess, not super helpful. You can like move stuff from side to side. And then you can, again, that's coming soon. You can change the pricing. And then once you set these up, it's going to automatically create Stripe subscription plans based on your integration. And then I'll show you how to do that in a second. You can also give them complimentary credits when they sign up. And then the Twilio rebilling, this is also enabled at the client level, but you can do it at the account level as well. So in order to go ahead and set up your plans, and then you can do your trial period here, but typically not recommended to do free trials because research has shown that doesn't actually increase your subscriptions. It just increases your frustrations because it attracts the wrong people, okay? So go ahead and set this up, and then you're also going to want to go into your settings. You're going to want to go into payments, and you can connect your Stripe account here. This is what the wallets are going to load into, okay? So each client, let me explain this because I think a lot of people are confused. Each account has their own wallet, okay? Now, when you set this up and you put your client's email, they are actually going to get sent a page to put in their credit card information for SaaS. Now, when they put in their credit card information, they're going to be automatically billed $11. And a lot of people don't know that this is going to happen, but basically it's just to fund the wallet, okay? So you can, at the account level, you can determine that here. And see, I have SaaS mode turned on and I have $11 in my account. And also Twilio, SaaS mode is active. Twilio rebill for this account is off. If I switch to this account and I go into settings and then I go into billing, you can see here that I added my credit card. So you can either add your client's card for them, or you can set this up to have it sent to them so they can put it in themselves. And you can see that there. You can see all the transactions here. Your client will also be able to see this. Now, again, the important thing to know is that your client's going to be charged $11 even if Twilio rebilling is off, okay? And then this sets the automatic threshold for billing. So you're going to auto recharge. It's kind of like the, maybe your favorite coffee shop card where you can auto recharge it when you're getting low. That's what this does. And then when that's the amount, and then this is when the balance goes lower than this amount. One of my favorite things about SaaS mode on high level is that you can automatically create accounts for your users now, where before you had to do all kinds of weird things through Zapier. So all you have to do there is create a funnel with a two-step order form. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. And here I have like a click to sign up, click to sign up, click to sign up. Super easy. Again, I have another video that does this in depth. If you want to watch me do it, I can link to it. And here's the order form, the two-step order form. And then this is going to go to the next step and look at the plans. So what you're gonna be able to do, since again, this high level SaaS plan is going to automatically create these Stripe plans in your account. So all you have to do is create different subscriptions per plan. So if you only have one plan, it's super easy. You just make a product and then you choose the Stripe plan here. And then you do the description. You can do like a setup cost here and then you save it. So what it looks like done is this. And again, it automatically ties to Stripe. And I have another video that shows how to test everything with your test key. But you're gonna, again, want one of these for each one. And then when you go and preview your funnel and you actually pay, it's going to email you your username and password and the URL to log in immediately, which is really freaking cool. So again, go check those other videos out. And I hope this helps you guys, because you can literally create your own SaaS company in just a few clicks now. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from me. Also, this is available on the Agency Pro plan on High Level, which is $497 a month. So if you sell your SaaS for $297 and you only get 2 clients, it is more than paying for your High Level subscription. So go check it out, guys. I'll see you next time.